Okay, I just want to talk about our bikes. I'm riding a Suzuki Boulevard 2013. It's a 90 cubic inch, 1500cc, and Ross is riding a Harley Davidson. What's it called again? Softail Deluxe. It's 2015 and it's 1590cc. And this is Ross's Vespa. He's not bringing that, by the way. This is Ross's runaround bike. So we're about to head off. It's 6 AM. Today we're riding from Newcastle down through Sydney, doing the Bells Line Road up to Bathurst and on the Parks. So yeah, it should be a good ride today.